Design views enable you to easily publish views of drawings to the cloud to facilitate collaboration with stakeholders while also protecting your DWG files. You can access the Design View tool from the Publish flyout on the Application menu or from the A360 ribbon tab. Design View functionality is enhanced in AutoCAD 2018 to support the new DWG file format. You can choose to publish and display in your browser right away or receive a notification on the status bar when all view processing is complete. While the design view is uploading and processing in the cloud, you can continue working in AutoCAD without disruption. Stakeholders reviewing the design don't have to log in to A360 or have an AutoCAD-based product installed. And since they don't have access to source DWG files, you can feel comfortable sharing views of your design with anyone who needs it. The design views are posted online with a link you can share with collaborators. You can easily access your recent uploads from the A360 Viewer homepage. By default, uploads are only available for 30 days. Now, however, you can extend a design view for an additional 30 days and continue to do so as needed. In addition to sharing your design views, you can post, review, and resolve comments.